So this is the image I'm going to use. I am on Pixel Studio. So now in order to create a DuoTone effect in Affinity, I'm going to click on the adjustment here and then select the gradient map. So here's the gradient map window. So as you can see, we have three colors, red, green, and blue. So the red one is on the shadows, as you can see. The green one is on the midtones and the blue one is on the highlights. So I'm going to select the green one and then click on delete to delete it. So now I want to add my colors to the shadows and highlights. I'm going to select the shadows. It's the left ones here on the gradient map. Select the red one, click on it, click on color. And now you can, for example, change the color here. So here you want to add the, for example, dark tone here of your color. So let's say I'm going to add this one. As you can see, it's painting the shadows. So if I move it, so here it is. So let's say I'm going to leave it here. You can also, for example, move the cursor of the colors to get the best color you want. So let's say I'm going to leave it to the red here for now. So I think I'm going to leave it to blue. I'm just going to change it to the blue ones, to the blue tones. And for the lighter areas here, it's this one here on the right side of the gradient map. Left click on it and then click on color. And now you want the color here to be on top here on the bright areas here. So here it is. So you can change it. You can also move it here. It is less saturated on this side here than this one here. So you can also here, for example, change the color to get the best duotone here, the best combination of colors you want for your duotone effect. So I'm going to leave it here. And for this one, for the blue one, I'm going to select the blue one, the shadows, select the colors. And then here you can adjust, for example, the color on the shadows. Don't want to overdo it. So I think I'm going to leave it here. So here you can also, for example, change the opacity here, increase or decrease it, or change the blend mode. So I'm just going to leave it here and then click on the X here. You can also merge this gradient map adjustment layer to the layer. I'm just going to leave it here and then click on the X icon here to exit.